Hello, welcome to the Enjoy English Practice course, Conversations Practices. Now you will listen to some daily English conversations in different places and situations. Thus, you will learn vocabulary and improve your English listening and speaking skills. Let's get started. English at the airport check-in.
Good morning. Where are you flying to today?
Good morning. I'm flying to Tokyo.
May I have your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, just this one large suitcase.
Okay. Please place it on the belt. It's a little overweight. The limit is 23 kilograms, and your bag is 25.
Oh, no, really? I tried to pack light. What can I do?
You have two options. You can pay an overweight baggage fee of $75, or you can try to take some items out and put them in your carry-on luggage.
I'll see if I can move some things. I have some heavy books in here. Let me just open it up. Okay, I've moved the books to my backpack. Can you weigh it again?
Certainly. Let's see. 22.5 kilograms. That's perfect. Did you pack this bag yourself?
Yes, I did.
And has it been with you at all times since you packed it?
Yes, it has.
Great. I'm placing the tag on it. Your bag is checked all the way through to Tokyo. Here is your passport back, and here is your boarding pass. Your flight departs from gate B12, and boarding will begin at 10:45 a.m. You are seated in 24A, which is a window seat.
Gate B12. Got it. Thank you so much for your help and patience.
You're very welcome. Have a safe and pleasant flight.
Hello, are you enjoying the story? Please give us a like. Thank you. English at the post office.
Hello, I'd like to mail this package, please.
Of course. Where is it headed?
It's going to my niece in London, England.
Okay, an international package. Can you please place it on the scale for me? I also need to ask what's inside for the customs declaration.
Sure. It contains a hand-knitted blanket, a couple of children's books, and a small toy. It's a birthday gift. Is it fragile?
The books make it quite heavy, but if the blanket is wrapped around the toy, it should be fine. Okay, it weighs about 2 kilograms. Based on that, you have a few shipping options.
What are they?
International Standard will take about 10 to 14 business days. International Priority will get it there in 6 to 10 business days. And Global Express is our fastest option at 1 to 3 business days.
Her birthday isn't for another month. Let's just go with the standard shipping, please. It's the cheapest, right?
Yes, it is. Would you like to add insurance for the value of the items? It's an extra $5 for up to $100 of coverage.
Yes, that sounds like a good idea. Let's add the insurance.
All right. I just need you to fill out this customs form. Please write your name and address here in the sender section and your niece's details here in the recipient section. Then list the items and their approximate value here.
Okay. I think I filled it all out correctly.
Let's see. Everything looks perfect. So with standard shipping and insurance, your total comes to $48.50.
Okay, I'll pay by card.
No problem. Here is your receipt with the tracking numbers so you can follow the package's journey online. Have a wonderful day.
You too, thank you.
English at the gym.
Excuse me. Hi, I'm a new member and I feel a little lost. Could you possibly show me how to use this machine?
Hi there. Welcome to the gym. I'm David, one of the trainers. Don't worry. Everyone feels that way at first. Of course I can help. This is the seated row machine. It's great for your back muscles.
Great, thank you. It looks a bit intimidating with all of the cables and weights.
It's simpler than it looks. First, let's adjust the seat height. You want your feet to be flat on the floor and your knees comfortably bent. Now, the weight. You select the weight using this yellow pin. Always start lighter than you think you need to. You can always add more.
Okay, that makes sense.
Now, sit down, keep your back straight, and grab the handles. As you pull the handles towards your stomach, squeeze your shoulder blades together. Then control the weight as you slowly extend your arms back to the starting position. That's 1 repetition or rep.
Okay, pull, squeeze, and slowly release. I feel that in my upper back.
That's it. You have perfect form. A good goal is to do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps.
That's really helpful. Do you have any other advice for a beginner?
Absolutely. Always warm up for 5 to 10 minutes before lifting weights. A quick walk on the treadmill or some time on the elliptical is perfect. And don't be afraid to ask for help. That's what we're here for.
Thank you so much, David. I feel much more confident now.
My pleasure, Anna. Enjoy your workout.
English at the pharmacy.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hi there. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. I have a persistent sore throat and a dry cough that kept me up all night.
I'm sorry to hear that. It sounds like you've caught a common cold. How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 2 days now. It started with a scratchy throat, but the cough got worse last night.
I see. We have a very effective cough syrup that can help with that. It coats the throat to relieve the soreness and helps suppress the cough reflex.
That sounds good. Doesn't make you drowsy? I have to work during the day and need to be alert.
That's a very good question. We have 2 formulas for this brand. The daytime formula is non-drowsy, so it won't make you sleepy. The nighttime formula includes an antihistamine that will help you sleep soundly.
That's perfect. I'll take one of each, please. Are there any side effects I should know about?
Not usually. Just be sure not to operate heavy machinery after taking the nighttime one. Also, please follow the dosage instructions on the box carefully.
Great, thank you.
Certainly. That will be $21.75. If your symptoms don't improve after 5 to 7 days, it would be a good idea to see a doctor.
I will. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
Ordering a pizza.
Good evening, Pizza Heaven. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to place an order for delivery, please.
Of course. What can I get for you tonight?
Can I get 1 large pizza, please?
Sure. And what toppings would you like on that?
I'd like to have it half and half. On one half, can I get pepperoni and mushrooms? And on the other half, just pineapple and ham.
No problem. 1 large, half pepperoni and mushroom, half pineapple and ham. Would you like to add anything else to your order? We have a special tonight. You can get an order of garlic bread and a 2-liter soda for an extra $5.
Ooh, that sounds like a good deal. Yes, let's add that. I'll take a Diet Coke, please.
Great. So that's 1 large half and half pizza and the garlic bread combo with a Diet Coke. Can I get your name and address for the delivery?
Yes, the name is Maria, and the address is 45 Oak Street, apartment 3B.
45 Oak Street, apartment 3B. Got it. And a phone number in case the driver needs to reach you?
It's 555-2938.
Perfect. Your total comes to $28.95. The driver will have change. Your food should be there in about 30 to 40 minutes.
That's great. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your order, Maria. Goodbye.
Now, you are going to listen to an English conversation about planning an activity. This is a conversation between two friends, Sarah and Mark. They are talking about what to do on the upcoming weekend. After the conversation, I will ask some questions about it. Try to answer the questions out loud to practice your English speaking skills. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started.
Hey, Mark, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Hey, Sarah. Not yet. I was just staring at my calendar, hoping a great idea would appear. The weather forecast says it's going to be sunny and warm. We should definitely do something.
I completely agree. I've been stuck inside all week, and I was hoping we could do something relaxing. I had this idea of driving out to the coast, finding a nice spot on the beach, and just reading a book all afternoon.
The beach is a nice thought. But you know how crazy the traffic gets on the highway on a sunny Saturday? We'd spend half the day in the car. Plus, the main beaches get so crowded, you could barely find a place to put your towel down.
That's true. I didn't think about the traffic. I just want to be near the water and unwind.
I get it. I want to get out too, but I was thinking of something more active. What about we go for a proper hike in the mountains? There's some amazing trails in the national park, only about an hour from here. The air is so fresh up there.
A hike? Oh, Mark, that sounds so exhausting. I really don't think I'm in hike up a mountain shape right now. Plus, I don't have proper hiking boots or anything. I want to relax, not end up with sore muscles for 3 days.
It's not about climbing Mount Everest. It's just a long, beautiful walk in nature. The views are incredible. But I see your point about the boots. Okay, so my idea is too active, and your idea involves too much traffic. We need a compromise.
It seems so. Okay, let's think. A place with nature, but that's not too difficult and hopefully not too crowded?
I've got it. What about that little town by the lake, Willow Creek? I think it's the perfect solution.
Willow Creek? I haven't been there in ages. Tell me more.
Well, it has that beautiful, quiet lakeside park with a small sandy beach. It's never as crowded as the coast. You could relax there with your book. And the town is surrounded by rolling hills with easy, well-marked walking paths. Not big mountains, just gentle trails. I could go for a walk for an hour or two while you relax.
That actually sounds perfect. I remember that place now. It's so charming. I can get my water view, and you can get your walk in without me complaining.
Exactly. And when I get back, we could have a late lunch at that cozy little cafe in the town square. Remember the one? They have the best homemade sandwiches and cake.
Now you're talking. That seals the deal. Okay, that sounds like a wonderful plan. It's relaxing for me and active for you. A true compromise.
Great. So, is it a date? How about I pick you up around 10 a.m. on Saturday? That gives us plenty of time to get there and enjoy the whole day.
10 a.m. on Saturday sounds wonderful. So the plan is I will pack my book, sunscreen, and a towel. You will pack your walking shoes and a map.
It's a solid plan. I'm already looking forward to it. It'll be a great way to escape the city.
Me too. Thanks for thinking of such a great solution, Mark.
Anytime, Sarah. That's what friends are for. I'll see you on Saturday.
See you then. Bye.
Okay, back to the beginning with questions. You must answer every question. Use your pause button and answer the question. Then play again. You can answer with just one word or 2 words. It's okay. Short answers are okay. Always answer the questions with a strong voice. This is so important. When you do this, you teach your mind, you teach your brain to be confident when you speak English. Your English will improve much, much faster. Question: what kind of weekend was Sarah hoping for? Answer: a relaxing one. She was hoping for a relaxing weekend. Question: What were Mark's two concerns about going to the beach? Answer: traffic and crowds. He was concerned about traffic and crowds. Question: what was Sarah's main reason for not wanting to hike in the mountains? Answer: it sounded exhausting. Or, she didn't have hiking boots. Question: what is the name of the town they decide to visit as a compromise? Answer: Willow Creek. Question: what can Sarah do at Willow Creek? Answer: relax by the lake. Or, read her book. Question: what can Mark do at Willow Creek? Answer: go for a walk. Or, walk on the trails. Question: are the trails at Willow Creek difficult mountain climbs? Answer: no, they are not. They are gentle walking paths. Question: what do they plan to do after their separate activities? Answer: have lunch. They plan to have lunch at a cafe. Question: what time will Mark pick up Sarah? Answer: at 10 a.m. He will pick her up at 10 a.m. on Saturday. Listen to the lessons repeatedly to think in English and speak automatically. Repetition is very, very important to become fluent. You need to speak English fluently without translating in your head. The words should come out of your mouth automatically. So this is where the repetition comes in. If you repeat the same vocabulary and sentences many times, you will become a master of this vocabulary and grammar. So you will be able to use those words automatically without thinking about grammar rules and without translating vocabulary in your head. In order to think in English, you must repeat vocabulary in sentences as much as you can. After lots of repetition, eventually, you will start to think in English in your head and improve your speaking skills. As I mentioned before, we use the question and answer method repeatedly in our short story lessons. So you will listen to the vocabulary and sentences many times in the same lesson. And that's all for now. See you in the next practice session.